Hello, today we are going to be taking a look at this quite interesting device that is being called Chemical Agent Detector Kit that is currently fielded and used by US military. This is something that I've got absolutely no training, and that's because my army do not use it. I'm more familiar with devices like Chemical Agent Monitor that are based out of spectrophotometers, and also devices like this. This is the RAID M100, and this is something that we are currently using. Those two devices are absolutely amazing, but at the same time they've got very important design flaw, and it is how expensive they are. You've got absolutely no way of equipping each soldier with device like this. This device allows you to detect chemical warfare agents like a nerve blister blood in airborne contamination, exactly the same as those two, but also it allows you to sample like a liquid form by use of paper. And what this device cannot do is detecting industrial chemicals. For that unit, you can load profiles that are going to be also detecting industrial chemical agents. So for example, if you've got like a fire in chemical plant or leak, then they can be used. This is designed only specific for military applications. So let me try to do unboxing for the first time. So here we've got information that we are past the expiration date, and that's because I purchased this unit with my own money, and it is for like a surplus. So let's try to do unboxing and see what we've got inside. It should be 100% complete. And let's see what we've got. So as you can see, the device came in this beautiful modern looking pouch. Extremely nice. And as you can see, we've got our markings that this is Detector Kit, Chemical Agent. Of course, we've got our NATO stock number. Here we've got a technical operator manual, so this is also quite interesting. I'm not sure if we should go with everything, every single page. I absolutely deeply believe that we are going to be skipping it, but inside there should be cards that are going to be containing tutorial. So let me open it and let's see what we've got inside. So as you can see, it's looking really nice. And let's start from the manual. As you can see, we've got that beautiful line that is holding it in place. And I think we are going to be... This is actually a really nice. I would definitely do something like this for my two-way radios. And here we've got the user manual, so we can see what it can detect. So we've got our vapor, liquid, and solid, and that's because we are going to be using a different tool for that. So if you would like, you can pause and take a look. This is how the detector looks after opening the packaging, and I'm not sure if I will be opening it. So we've got a lot of ampules that need to be break in the correct order. And then by observing colors, we are going to be seeing if we are safe or if we are in the danger zone. So let's take a look what we've got. Here we've got our instruction, we've got our danger color codes. So basically, if you follow this, we've got our safe colors where everything is fine. Here we've got the paper for sampling, so you can take a look. For liquid. For the solid one. And this is how it's presenting. Very interesting. I'm pretty sure that US military got some sort of confidence test. When you are using devices like this, then you've got a special chemical compound that you are using to bump your detector and make sure that it is operational. So I'm pretty sure there should be a protocol. So maybe like two soldiers at the same time have to do that test to make sure the results are valid. And let's take a look what we've got here. So here we've got our low volatile hazard. Looks like our adapter is being used for detecting contamination in form of solids, because here we can see it. And we've got the information that inside we are going to be getting the M9 paper stripe. And this is how it's presenting. So let's take a look what else we've got. And these sets, we've got 4. They are exactly the same. Then we've got our actual detector that is also sealed. And here we've got a simple manual that is telling us how to operate it. And those detectors we've got in our set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those. And the last element is our paper for detecting chemical agents. So when we've got like a liquid, then we can probe it and we can see what's going to happen. So as you can see, it is a really interesting kit. And one day, definitely it's going to be worth of training how to use it, because I've got absolutely no idea. And here we've got a plastic insert, and I'm pretty sure that I seen that design on something else. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.